Move the camera tower out of the way by clicking the Home Radio button on the camera bar in the GUI. Now click on the Filament Up macro button to raise the filament away from the mirrors. Then, using a 5/64 hex key, loosen the cover plates either side of the filament. You will need to remove the screw fully to remove the cover plate. Always use the hexagonal end of the hex key to loosen tight screws. Also using the 5/64 hex key, undo the screws holding the filament to the unit. Once the screws are fully loosened, lift the filament body vertically upwards to remove it. Place the new filament in position on the splice head, making sure that the engraving is facing forwards. Turn the old filament body upside down to remove the filament screws. Place the screws in the new filament. Use a torque wrench to tighten the screws. It is important that these screws are tight, but not over tight. Now replace the cover plates and screws on each side of the filament. Tighten these screws so the cover plate is secure, but do not over tighten these screws. Now, in the FFS3 GUI, click the GPX Home Filament Process button. This will cause the filament stage to move back down to Home. Now you have installed your filament, you need to check its centering on the fibre line.